Hello, here we'll be learning how we can be able to withdraw our fund from Binance. So here on the wallet tab, we see deposit, withdraw, then transfer. So we click on the withdraw button here. You can be able to withdraw either crypto or fiat. Whichever one you want to withdraw, you have to select the coin you want to withdraw and then you proceed. You can withdraw crypto or fiat. So this is fiat. Here I have only Nigerian Naira. So here we go back to crypto, click on Bitcoin. So what we do now is we put the amount we want to withdraw and the address. So if you want to send BTC to someone, or if you want to send any coin to someone, this is how to do it. If you want to withdraw also your fund from Binance to your Trust wallet or your blockchain wallet, exactly this is how to do it. So whichever one you want to do, moving funds from Binance to another platform or another wallet, this is exactly how you do it. No matter what coin you want to transfer, it's the same process. Okay, so we go ahead. The max here is the maximum you have. Here we are going to use the example we have here, which when you click the max, you see this is what we are transferring and the fee is 0.0004 BTC, right? So we go ahead and take an address and paste it here. So if you are transferring to a friend, the friend should have sent his or her address to you. Okay, if you want to transfer from your other wallet to your other wallets, you have also to go and pick up the wallet address and paste it here. Here in my blockchain wallet, assuming I want to transfer from Binance to my blockchain wallet, as I have logged into my blockchain wallet, what I'll do is I'll copy the address from here. I've copied the address, then go back to Binance. So here in Binance, I'll paste the address here. So this is the address. So I have pasted the address here. So what we do now is click on withdrawal. So here now Binance will confirm whether I should go ahead and withdraw the total BTC here as I have entered the amount. Immediately after that, Binance also will send you a verification code. So you verify whether actually is you that is making the transfer. So this is just a security procedures so that no one will go inside your account to withdraw funds. And also you will also get email notifications to confirm the withdrawal. So this is the procedure. Immediately you confirm the withdrawal, it will be sent to this particular address. So this is exactly how to do withdrawal from Binance. On the other hand, if you have to withdraw fiat, fiat can be any currency like dollar, naira, pounds and all that. So whichever country you are, you can be able to withdraw fiat, your currency, to your bank account. So when you click on the particular fiat you want to withdraw, we have website only for the bank transfer and the fee is 300 naira. That is in naira. So if you are withdrawing with any other currency, you'll also be charged with the currency. This is basically website only. And when you want to withdraw or do the transfer to your bank account, you put your bank details and it will take up to 24 hours and it will be deposited in your bank account. So that's basically how to transfer fiat.